We're super excited about our latest review. We work very hard to meet everyone's needs, and we really value hearing 5-star reviews like this one. Now we're sharing it with you.
Finally, we found actual help. Dr. Green has changed my family forever. Our 12-year-old was overweight and feeling really down on herself. Having a very athletic, fit brother didn't help, of course. We tried Weight Watchers and even a special program from Florida Hospital, and nothing worked. Dr. Green has taken such a personal interest in helping our daughter that the results have been beyond our expectations. Week 1, 6 pounds down. Week 2, another 4.4 pounds and 4.4 body fat gone. She does not feel like she is on a diet, and she has learned to read labels and take responsibility for what she eats. Thank you, Dr. Green, for empowering my daughter.
And we're confident you'll appreciate our unmatched quality and attention to detail. Your satisfaction is our biggest priority, and we'll work very hard to get it. We appreciate you taking the time to drop in on us today. You can contact us anytime at the number on your screen. We hope to see you soon.